What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to TJ Chapman Auto. Today we have this 2008 Ford E-350 base cutaway box truck. This one has 207,000 miles, but it does hold a clean title. So despite the mileage not being the greatest, it does hold a clean title, which is a huge plus, which makes it hold some of the value that it does have. This one has an MSRP of around $30,000. Most of the options were selected through special order. We have things such as special kind of fuel system. You have the speed limit cut to around 75 miles an hour to safeguard the life of the engine. As you can see, we have an enormous amount of space and room here, and you have this little door here that you can just pull through the handle. That will allow you to close the back of the truck fully. As you can see, you can haul anything from furniture to bigger kinds of furniture and construction equipment. Really, whatever you like, you'll be able to haul in this truck. It is absolutely wonderful. It is a dually as well, so you have 4 tires in the rear for that extra stability as well. It's an absolutely beautiful truck. This bright yellow paint is actually not in bad condition at all. And let's go ahead and take a look at our interior here soon. This will be a very short review because it's only a 2-door and there's only 2 seats. The original owner of the truck decided to opt on 2 captain's chairs, so you have these 2 super comfortable cloth captain's chairs as well. You have handles here to help you getting in and out of the truck because it is rather tall. Let's go ahead and start it up so we can stop the little Ford beeping. There you go. And as you can see, this starts right away. Here we're gonna check on the mileage again. 207,103, so 207,103 miles. Oh, whoa, 207,103 miles. And as you can see, we have a speedometer up to 100. Once again, it is limited to 75, so you cannot go over 75. Even if you'd like to, the PCM or the ECU, whatever you want to call it, is limited from factory to 75 miles an hour. But we do have some things here such as cargo light. You pull like it was an old BMW E30. You just pull on this handle when your lights are on the cargo. Here you can adjust your steering wheel, front and back. Here you have your headlight and washer controls all on one side. And here you can adjust for your trailer. Right here you can see the passenger airbag light. It will come on or off whether there is a passenger on the seat or not. Pretty self-explanatory. Here you have your AM, FM radio as well, with CD capabilities as well. Here you can select your air conditioning or heater fan settings as well, your windshield defroster, your heat and temperature settings. Overall, you can select from cool to warm, normal AC, max AC, etc. You have 1 vent, 2 vents, 3 by the passenger side, and 1 more over here on the left side. You have another handle on the passenger side as well. And this truck also has tow and trailer mirrors to facilitate your driving. Surprisingly, it doesn't drive as bad as you would think. It actually drives super easily. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 cup holder spaces and an extra space in the center and some extra space underneath that as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at our passenger side and at our glove box and finish this walk around. You can also check high definition pictures on our website at tjchapmanauto.com. And for the rest of our inventory, you can check out tjchapmanauto.com or visit us in person at 215 West, 500 North in North Salt Lake, Utah. Here you can see your other passenger side handle. Your handle to support you closing a door. You have manual windows on both sides, which allow you to never have to replace window regulators because these practically never break. Here you have your emergency warning triangle. Once again, let's take a final look at the space we have on the bed. Well, in the back of the truck. Let's go ahead and lift this up. As you can see, super spacious, tremendous. Again, 2008 Ford E-350 base cutaway, 207,000 miles, clean title, for sale here at TJ Chapman Auto. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.